Our community bought into flattening the curve and slowing COVID-19 spread, and I want to thank everyone for their efforts during these long 7 months. I also want to thank my friend and colleague, Dr. Mike Mendoza, our Public Health Commissioner, and his dedicated team at the Monroe County Department of Public Health for their tireless efforts over the last 7 months. There's a new phrase that's being used by people. It's called COVID fatigue. It's real. We're all sick and tired of this. We're tired of wearing masks. We want to see our loved ones, and we want to be able to enjoy a night out for dinner, go to a concert or a sporting event, and we all want life to go back to normal. Unfortunately, we're just not there yet. We're not through this, and we have to recognize that. We have to acknowledge how far we've come, but we also have to acknowledge how much further we have to go. Let me be clear. We will get back to normal, and that's the good news. This will go away. We just don't know when. Earlier this year, we made a lot of sacrifices. Since March, we've lost over 300 lives in our community. Thousands of people have become sick, and countless businesses have had to close. COVID-19 has impacted all of us in different ways. There are people watching tonight from home who have minimally experienced this pandemic. They've continued to go to work, their kids are back in school, and they've been able to go about their daily business. But there are many others in our community whose entire livelihoods have crashed down around them. They've been sick. Family members have been sick. Perhaps they've lost a loved one, or they haven't been able to see their loved ones. They've been furloughed or lost their job and are struggling to support their families. We cannot lose sight of the cost of this pandemic and cannot lose empathy for our neighbors. Now that we're heading into the fall and winter, we've seen an increase in our COVID cases and our positivity rate. But we know so much more than we did at the beginning. We've learned important lessons and must continue to follow what worked to flatten our curve. We must follow the science. Sitting at home, many of you may be thinking, what does this have to do with me, or what can I do to help? Well, it's what we've been doing as a community. We should be wearing a mask while we're in public, maintaining good social distancing of 6 feet or greater, and regularly washing and sanitizing our hands. And now is the time to get your flu shot. The last thing we need to see in our community is a dual pandemic. Flu shots are available now, and that's how you can contribute to our community health. We've been in this together for 7 months now, and our only way through this is to continue to work together as a community to keep our curve flat. We're at the beginning of another challenging period, but Monroe County is strong, and I am confident in our capacity to keep up this fight, and we will get through this together.